In today's video, we take a look at the 7 members of your money team that will help you on your financial journey. Welcome to the Enriched Adult, the place that helps you on your journey to the enriched life. Number 1. Banking Professional. Banking has come a long way in recent years, with many financial transactions and services now being concluded online. However, the fact remains that borrowing money is something that most people will need to do at some point in their lives. In this context, it's important to not only appear credible on paper, but also have a strong relationship with lenders. This is where a banking professional comes in. A banking professional is someone who works in the banking industry and has a deep understanding of financial products and services. They can help a money team navigate the complexities of borrowing and investing money, and recommend the best course of action based on the team's specific needs and goals. But a banking professional's value doesn't stop there. They can also help a money team build and maintain relationships with lenders, which can be crucial in securing funding or other financial support. Their expertise and connections can be invaluable in helping you make informed decisions. Number 2. Tax Expert. A tax expert is someone who is highly knowledgeable about tax laws and regulations, and is skilled in helping individuals and businesses navigate the complexities of tax compliance. They can help you ensure that you are paying the correct amount of taxes, and can also help you identify opportunities to minimize your tax burden through legal means. In the context of a money team, a tax expert can be an invaluable resource for helping the team stay on top of tax obligations and minimize their tax liability. They can help the team understand their tax obligations and provide guidance on how to meet them in a timely and accurate manner. They can also help the team identify tax planning opportunities such as deductions and credits that can help reduce their tax burden. Having a tax expert on your money team can be especially important if your team is involved in activities that have significant tax implications, such as investing, buying or selling property, or operating a business. Number 3. Insurance Expert. There are numerous you might need. An insurance expert is someone who is highly knowledgeable about insurance products and is skilled in helping individuals and businesses choose the right insurance coverage for their needs. Insurance is an important financial tool that can help protect you and your assets from unexpected events such as accidents, illnesses, natural disasters, and lawsuits. There are many types of insurance that you may need to consider throughout your life, including long-term care, business, umbrella, life, disability, and health insurance. Each type of insurance has its own specific set of requirements and covers different risks. So it's important to work with an insurance expert who can help you understand your options and choose a coverage that's right for you. When working with an insurance expert, it's important to confirm that they are duly licensed to sell the type of insurance you are interested in. This is especially important if you are considering purchasing a complex or specialized insurance product such as business insurance or long-term care insurance. To ensure that you get the right coverage at the right price, it's important to follow a specific process when working with an insurance expert. The first step is to identify how much insurance you need based on your specific situation and goals. The second step is to investigate the available options, taking into account your coverage requirements and budget. By following these steps, you can be confident that you are making an informed decision about your insurance coverage. If you are liking the video so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and stay with us till the very end to know more about the 7 members of your money team. 4. Investment Professional. An investment professional is someone who is knowledgeable about the financial markets and skilled in helping individuals and businesses make informed decisions about how to invest their money. Investment professionals can include financial advisors, wealth managers, and other professionals who specialize in helping clients grow and protect their wealth. While it is certainly possible for individuals to manage their own investments, studies have shown that Working with an investment professional can help the average investor earn higher returns over the long term. One of the key benefits of working with an investment professional is that they can help you avoid making emotional decisions about your investments. Investing can be stressful, and it's easy to let fear or greed influence your decisions. An investment professional can help you stay focused on your long-term goals and make investment decisions based on objective analysis and sound financial principles. Number 5. Real estate professional. A real estate professional is someone who is knowledgeable about the real estate market and skilled in helping individuals and businesses buy, sell, and manage real estate properties. Real estate professionals can include real estate agents, brokers, property managers, and other professionals who specialize in helping clients navigate the complexities of the real estate market. Whether you're shopping for your first home, looking to invest in rental properties, or trying to build a commercial real estate portfolio, you will almost certainly need the help of a real estate professional at some point. The real estate market can be volatile and complex, with constantly changing conditions that can impact the value and desirability of different properties. Having a real estate professional by your side can make it much easier for you to navigate the market and make informed decisions about your real estate investments. They can provide guidance on everything from finding the right property to negotiating a fair price to managing the transactions and closing process. They can also help you understand the local real estate market and identify opportunities for buying and selling properties that align with your financial goals. Number 6. Attorney. There are numerous you might need. An attorney is a legal professional who is trained to provide legal advice and representation to individuals and businesses. Attorneys can specialize in a wide range of areas, including criminal law, civil law, corporate law, family law, and many others. Depending on your particular needs, you may find yourself hiring different attorneys for different legal issues. For example, if you need help with estate planning, you might work with an estate planning attorney who can help you create a will or trust to ensure that your assets are distributed accordingly to your wishes after you pass away. If you are involved in a lawsuit, you might work with a litigator who can help you navigate the legal process and represent your interests in court. If you are starting a business, you might work with a corporate attorney who can help you incorporate your business, draft contracts, and advise you on legal issues relating to running a business. It's important to make sure that any attorney you work with is appropriately licensed to practice in your state and has the necessary expertise to handle your legal needs. You should also be sure to ask about the attorney's fees and make sure you understand how they charge for the services before hiring them. Number 7. Financial planner. A financial planner is a professional who helps individuals and businesses create and implement financial plans that align with their long-term goals and objectives. Financial planners can provide a wide range of services, including budgeting and cash flow management, asset allocation and investment planning, retirement planning, estate planning. Financial planners typically work with clients to provide an overview of their overall financial situation and help them identify areas where they may be able to improve their financial health. They may recommend specific financial strategies or products to help clients reach their goals, but they are not usually trying to sell specific products. Instead, their focus is on helping clients create comprehensive financial plans that take into account their unique needs and circumstances. In the context of a money team, a financial planner can play a key role in coordinating the efforts of the other team members. They can work with you to develop a financial plan that takes into account the advice and recommendations of the other team members and can help you make informed decisions about how to allocate your financial resources. They may also collaborate with the other team members to ensure that your financial plan is being implemented as intended. It's important to have regular meetings with your financial planner, such as quarterly, twice a year, or annually, to ensure that your financial plan is on track and to make any necessary adjustments. This will help you stay focused on your long-term financial goals and ensure that you are making progress towards achieving them. Time is the main lesson here. You don't have enough hours in the day to master every subject. Because their only goal is to assist you in doing the hard lifting, let the professionals handle their tasks. When you go it alone, becoming a financial superstar is not simple. But with your money team in place, you'll be able to return to living a far less stressful life. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments who else is on your money team. We would love to hear from you and be part of your journey to the enriched life. Until next time, let's live the enriched life.